Today's video is going to be titled How to Make Money Being You. How to make money being authentically you. What does that mean, Avery? Basically, that means everybody has a unique advantage in this world. Everybody has things that they do that makes them special. Today, not only are we about to talk about how to make money being that exact person that you are, but we also about to talk about how to find that person, how to find what's unique to you, how to find your unique special advantage, and what I like to call, man, your superpower. So I got 3 steps on how to monetize being you. Starting off with number one, understanding yourself. You do not know where you're going unless you know where you are. You can't get to your destination unless you know first, like I said, where you are. So we about to go into the past of ourselves and figure out what makes us us, right? So for me, how I did this, I looked into all of my different various endeavors, from all the jobs I had, from how and what type of student I was in school, what got me going, what didn't get me going. You got to understand you. Everybody is different and you are no different, bruh. So for me, because I don't know you right now, you know what I mean? You at home, I want you to think about yourself like I'm about to think about me. In all of the jobs I had, bro, I was always like the employee of the month type of nigga. Like I always got employee of the month. All my supervisors always loved me because I just didn't know how not to try hard at a job. Like, you know what I mean? Growing up, my friends, they always call me try hard. When we playing sports, I'm always going 100% at everything and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So I sat back and thought about it. I'm like, all right, bro, it gotta be something, man. Like people be saying I be trying hard, but genuinely, I'm not. Like that's just what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And work, people say that I'm a good worker and I do this good and stuff. But honestly, bro, shit, I'm just showing up. This is what I do when I show up. You know what I mean? So I'm like, all right, bro, it got to be something here. So how can I make this work for me? Because obviously I don't want to work a job forever and be labeled, oh, he's the best worker here. Nah, fuck that. You know what I mean? So I put that same type of work ethic to something that I enjoyed. You know what I mean? At the time, and I'm gonna break this down too. I like to create, right? So go back in my past again. I used to edit videos of myself for fun, right? Growing up, when I was like very young, bro, like 11 years old, I used to make my cousins play actors in my little short films and shit. These short films never came out, never intended to come out. But like my little cousin, she's a girl. I told her, I was like, hey, look, I'm about to do a skit and I need you to play the commentator of the skit. And you got to introduce all of my different personalities in the skit. I was always creative like that, right? So I was thinking about that. I was like, I used to always like doing that. And I also work hard. What if I combine the two and just work hard on making YouTube videos for people to watch? And that's eventually what my career path set out to be, right? So go into your past and figure out what makes you different, what makes you stand out, what makes you special. And that's step one, right? Step two is going to be create from these strengths. So first off, you figured out the strengths. Now you're going to create from those strengths, right? Whatever your desired path is a lot of ways to create. To get biblical here, when the Bible first starts off in Genesis, God created, you know what I mean? And then if you keep reading the Genesis, you will see that God created us in the image of him. So if we got created in the image of God, that means we are thus creators. So figure out what your median is for creation, right? Figure out your median of creation and then use your strengths to create, right? So for me, I keep saying this, bro, because I'm literally living a living testament, living proof of this, bro. My median was YouTube. You know what I mean? I'm creating the things that I use for my strengths. My strengths got created into a YouTube video, right? That was my median. For you, it might be art. It might be putting some on some clothes and selling those clothes. It might be all these different various things, right? So you got to figure out what way for you can you use your strengths and create from those strengths. And then, like I said, create from those strengths. That's point number two. And last but not least, this is going to circle everything again, cement everything again, man. You have to figure out your way of monetization. This is going to be the last step in this process, figuring out how you can monetize step 1 and step 2. To go back over it, if y'all forgot, step 1 is understand yourself. Step 2 is create from those strengths. Step 3 is find ways to monetize. What are some ways in which I can monetize this? Well, for me, it's YouTube. YouTube got all types of built-in ways to monetize. They got AdSense, you know what I mean? They got types of affiliate marketing, you know what I mean? If your strength was promoting products, if your strength was selling, then you could come on the back end for affiliate marketing. Yeah, bro, this product's so good, bro. You need to go ahead and sign up. You know what I'm saying? Here, use this link. Now you got a commission off that. Oh, that was easy. It ain't easy for everybody, bro. It's easy for you. That's another thing, bro. If it's easy for you and people be telling you that you good at it, don't take that for granted, bro. That is your unique skill. That is your unique advantage. That is your thing that sets you apart from all these other people, bro. You probably think because it's easy for you, it's not big. No, that's not true, bro. It is big. It's a lot of significance on that thing that's easy to you. Because if it's easy for you, bro, you can do it easily. You can do it all the time. You can do it effortlessly, bro. And you should take that through the roof, bro. Like a lot of people don't know their purpose or can't find their purpose in life, bro. And you need to look at the things that you do effortlessly. You need to look at the things that get you motivated. You need to look at the things that when you do it, you feel good. You can get in that flow state. You can do it easily. You can do it effectively. You can do it efficiently. You can do it when nobody is watching. You can do it no matter what type of praise you get. You can do it no matter what. You can do it even if you wasn't getting paid for it, bro. Like I told y'all in the beginning of this video, when I first started doing videos and skits and stuff, they wasn't even gonna be for the public. You know what I mean, bro? I remember I was in high school and I used to post videos unlisted. I didn't even think about getting paid from this, bro. This was just something that I genuinely enjoyed to do. I genuinely enjoyed to create videos and stitch them and edit them and have fun doing it. That was my passion. I didn't know it at the time, unbeknownst to me, but that was something that I really enjoyed to do. So once I figured out, okay, cool, I can do this and pair it with this and create a whole nother thing, everything changed. Everything changed, bro. And that's what you got to do. Not only do you got to figure out, understand yourself, not only do you got to create from that, you have to monetize it, bro. Because when you monetize it, you get that money, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to become a YouTuber or need the exact system, framework, steps that I use on my various channels to create everything that I did, man, click the link in the description because there you will find one-on-one coaching from AB himself on how to get this motherfucking YouTube bread. If you enjoyed that, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow with our next video.